That shield doesn't belong to you. You don't deserve it. My father made that shield.
Dogs.
Instead of pushing Lang through time, you might have wound up pushing time through Lang. It's tricky, dangerous. Somebody could have cautioned you against it.
You did.
Oh, did I?
Сколько бы я не просил, но ты же знала, что меня теряла. Я босиком по стеклам, бегал так упрямо.
Tony, I don't know.
Why? He made it for you.
Я бы упал, сел на последний вздох.
Thank you, Tony.